This is a new tip on how to remove the switch module without removing the panel. You can see there are three screws on the Windows switch. One is kind of hidden in a tight spot. I have showed you the tool that I used to be able to get into the tight area to take the screws off with the help of a little mirror and a very special right angled screwdrivers. The trick is after you get it off, when you put it back in, I will use a hex longer screw. So with the hex head screw, I can use a socket to turn it much easier than using a screwdrivers. And also I will put some spacer in the longer screw so I do not have to make so many turns of the screw to tighten the switch module. And that is the whole trick. On the second time around, when I decided to when I need to replace the module instead of repairing it, because the contact switch repair kind of failed after a few months. So I end up buying a new switch modules and replace it this time.